Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make a very healthy recipe today. Stir-fried broad beans and potatoes. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe and let's get started. Preheat your cooking pan and add some oil. Let the flame be low. Add mustard seeds as soon as the oil heats up. Let the mustard splutter and add cumin seeds. Add some curry leaves. And some garlic. Once the garlic leaves its aroma, add onions. Add some salt and fry onions until translucent. Add some turmeric powder and mix well. At last, add finely chopped broad beans. Also add evenly chopped potatoes. Mix well and add green chilli. You can add more chilies if you like it spicy. Now divide the stir-fried veggies right in the center and add some water. Now cook it covered for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame itself. Check in between if the water is all dried out. Also check if the potatoes and beans are cooked. Add additional water if needed. Cook until the water is completely dry and the veggies are cooked. And that's how you make stir-fried broad beans and potatoes. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.